to another episode of Rosengold. I'm your host, IK, and this is my lovely co-host, Dr. Ross.
Everything is everything.
Yeah, man!
So these books are the ones that Dr. Ross and I have worked on, we've illustrated, wrote, and they're out to the public now. So if you'd like to purchase one of these books, the links are in the description below.
That's right, and we have, as well as our Taylor series, The Taylor's Perfect Birthday, which was inspired by Taylor Swift, but these are just our 4 new children's books so that you can get your hands on some more. And we also have a new monster series coming up, so watch out for that as well. So there will be much more books releasing coming soon.
Facts!
And all of the books are available for sale. But remember, and don't forget, that Dr. Ross and I are producers, writers, directors, actors, hair models, and much, much more. And we also have the personals.xyz, so don't forget about that one because we're working on the trailer. We're getting a few extra scenes finished and finaling it all up. But we'll make sure to come back with you guys on that one, and we'll keep you posted.
That's right. We also have our animated series, our adult cartoon animated series coming out called Yeek. So it's going to be a little bit similar to some other shows that you've seen like Family Guy, Rick and Morty, anything that's on Adult Swim, that's what we have with Yeek. So
yes,
be prepared for that.
We're planning on making an adult animation show that is going to be hilarious, that you will not want to miss.
That's right.
We've also made a book version of it for the first pilot episode, which will be releasing soon.
Yes, and it's already available for you to purchase. So go ahead and go purchase that book. Oh, by the way, it is Yeek.
In the link in the description below.
That's right.
But let's get into our hot topics today, starting it off with Kylie Jenner. So Kylie Jenner just announced her second baby, Wolf, I believe his name is.
His name is Air, actually. She changed it from Wolf and changed it to Air with an E at the end. Because people were giving her so much hate about Wolfgang Puck or whatever she named it, her child.
You know, Dr. Ross, I'm still going to say that Wolf is a better, more powerful name than Air, but who knows? Kylie Jenner, she's doing her own thing. We're not throwing any shade, and we'd still love to see you in the future.
That's right.
That's for you, Miss Jenner. I'd love to take you out to lunch, brunch, and or dinner.
That's right.
Next time we're back in LA. But let's get into our next hot topic with a few people we'd like to mention. Our dear friends at Anvil Tattoo. And then we'd like to mention our dear friends at Cat Tattoo. If you haven't gotten one, or if you're looking to get a new piercing, Cat Tattoo is for you. If you're looking for a tattoo that's gonna be fierce, vibrant, and it looks good for you, Anvil Tattoo is the way to go.
Exactly.
And also our Jamaican shampoo. We've been selling it like tons and tons of our products and Jamaican clothing thanks to Christmas and many different holidays that are coming up. So we'd like to thank you guys for your support and for purchasing our products because it really means a lot to us.
Thanks, man.
But we'd also like to mention that Dr. Ross and I are working on a new TV series for PBS called Mrs. Rogers. Now, this show, Miss Rogers. Dr. Ross has already written a few different songs for the TV series and we're getting it all set up, ready to make after we film the personals.xyz with 1, 2, 3 ABCs. You know, it's for children and
teaching them how to read, basically.
Pretty much, essentially. And it's going to be a great show, so stay tuned for that one as well.
You betcha.
And IK, before we end this, we do want to say once again, thank you to all of our supporters. Thank you for all of the Rosengold followers. If you don't follow our Instagram, it's right here, rosengold.us. And we want to say thank you for everyone that has bought our children's books. That's why we keep making more and more for all the children and happy faces out there that love reading it. We also have been donating a lot of these books to nearby schools, and when we do our community events, we donate there as well. So close it off for us, IK.
These were all of our hot topics, but we'll see you on the next episode. Make sure to like, follow, and subscribe. We're out.